girls, be happy for this video. Because look, this is your mother's life's work. This is taken all night. Yeah, this is supposed to be fun for you. Now, shut up and do my thing. All right. Look at this amazing work of genius. Be very careful with it. It's fragile. It's very fragile. Now you're going to drop a marble in.
The world's biggest gumball machine.
Yeah! Let's do it again from the top. Okay.
But this time we do a lot of them.
Where is it? Okay, I can't follow this. It's too shady. Here, we need more. I can't see. Let's turn on the light. Let's turn on the bigger light just to get the... Oh, no, this is looking unstable. Back up from my creation. Without having a big fight, look at this amazing, astounding achievement.
And now we're
Can I pour these in?
Yeah, pour them in and see what happens. Okay. They got stuck. Oh, probably because there were so many in at once they couldn't get out. Yeah. Look at that.
I told you it's good.
Try this one now and see what happens.
Wait, try even more. Try even more.
Oh, that one doesn't go anywhere.
Try even more, okay?
Oh,
We need to build another place for that one to go.
my back hurts.
Oh, okay. I see what we can do. Hold on.